folks, how are you? John Biggle here, thought I'd come and say hello. Right, now I'm at a pub. It's behind me, there we are. It's called the Beehive. It's been abandoned for at least 7 years, so let's see if I can get in. It's now going to be turned into, apparently, very shortly, so it'd be nice just to give it a quick explore. Say hello to the bike, hello bike. Oh, the grass is already out. Now I know this place has been abandoned for an extreme long time, like I said, about 7 years. But on top of this, God, at some point it's been, I know it's been burnt down. So let's have a look. Oh, just tried to say not nice. Oh no, it was alright. Family home cooked Sunday available. Got a pub table there, more pub tables. Freezer. Oh dear. It's a shame because this pub in the day was good, and I mean really good. Oh, look. Open. Right, we're further out there. See, for those of you who think we break in, no, we don't. Just put some gloves on. All open, right. Wow. Fridges. What could go on there? Look. Oh guys, look at this. How good is that? So this is 2015. It wasn't really a big bar. Goes around the other side. I've been in there a few times, but never really drank in it. Oop. What we got up here? Welcome to the Beehive. A few cans of beer just sitting there. What I like is you walk come in that door there, straight to the bar. Well folks, a look what else we got. Let's go behind the bar, shall we? Oh, I've got some stairs there, so I'll have a look in a second. Oh, I even got a cellar. Oh. The old optics there, look. Obviously someone's pulled all this out at some point. Oh, what have we got here? A bit of light on the subject. Oh, some like trophy. Oh, Domino's trophy, look at that. You see that one there? Right. Now folks, I'm going to go down here. Well, should I go upstairs first? Let's go by the rule, go upstairs, because, excuse me, just putting a glove on because I really don't want to catch myself on glass round here. You never know who's been around. Just a cupboard. The old alarm system's been ripped out a few years ago by it. Right. Right, so I've got to be careful here. So allegedly there's been like fires and everything. Let's go down here first. Oh, there we are. Bit of a hole, bit of a dummy. Nothing in there. But fall down there, that will hurt. See, look, that's the main road there, so I keep away from it, but there's the old main road. Pretty spacious for a pub, really, isn't it, upstairs? Penguins on the door. Oh wow, look, so there's the old fireplace. I boarded it up with like a cupboard. Crap decor though. What's that say over here? Special system. Who knows? Right. Bathroom. Oh, look at that. Oh, what we got up here? Don't think there's much up there that I can see. Let's just put the light on. Hello there. Nah, look, it's all nothing. Nothing at all. 2000, don't know. Don't think so. And a random bin. So really not much to see in this upstairs part, so we're going to go back down. Go from there. In fact, we're going to go down the basement now. And look, the old alarm system. Yeah, because that's all working. Upstairs pub saloon. Oh, put the jukebox on. Well, just before I do go down there, let's go back down this bit because I don't think I can. That's another bit here, isn't it? This must have been the... Why would you carpet the box? That fucking carpet. Oh, it's got to be the ladies' part. Surely you still wouldn't have... You wouldn't carpet it all. Oh, here's the gents. See if there's a bit more class here. Ah, not really. But there's a hammer on the floor. Someone must have had an explosive dog job. There it is. Green decor. Doesn't look like that's going to be used anytime soon. Because I don't want to dry my hands. Okay, yeah. Kitchen I just came right. Time to do the basement. Okay, so hopefully the stairs are going to be alright. Oh, fridge, freezer. Oh well. Wow. Kegs. Huh? Some of them myself. In my bar. I think the electric's been turned on. So that's where they get all the kegs in. That's at the front. I can show you that later. Obviously that's where all the arrows go. Electric pumps all been ripped out. And the chiller system. Good old sump. Under the counter fridge. Right, let's climb back up. Surprisingly small for what I thought it'd be. Right. Lights for everything. I think that's about it, guys and girls. Thanks for joining me. I'll go off to find another place now. So, if you like what you see and you want to like and subscribe, please do so. Tell all your friends as well. This is John Bengal signing out from an abandoned pub. Peace out, folks. Washing machine, dishwashers. Oh, look at that paint. Wow. close the window just how it was before. Well, I didn't actually look up here. It's like the old pub garden by the looks of it. It's probably got nothing in it, but it's always worth having a quick eye butcher, isn't it? Nothing there. Ah, a little bit of seat in there. Chuck rubbish here now, people do, but that's the front of it. Until next time.